So in this video, I will show you step by step how to change color of highlighted caption in CapCut. So if you want to change the color of the highlight in your caption, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the CapCut, go to captions. After you go to captions, now select the language of your video. Now go to generate. After you generate the caption, now here is the caption. So the first thing you should do, now select all the caption. After you select all the caption like this, so you go to this text template. After you go to template, now you go and select the highlight style that you want to use. So for this video, I'm going with this one. After you select the highlight style, now as you can see, now here is the highlight color.
Is one of the most
So here is this one. If you don't want this one, you can just scroll to down and choose the one that you want to use. After you choose the highlight color, then you select the caption again and then go to text, basic under the text. Then scroll to down, here is color. After you click on the color, so now you choose the color that you want to use. So for this video, let's say I want to use red. After I choose red, as you can see now the color has been changed into red. If you play the video now,
the most well-known
like this one as you can see. So if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.